Hello students, today we will do again some extra question based on construction. As I have taken this question, construct a triangle ABC, AB equal to AC equal to 4.8 centimeter, BC equal to 5.3 centimeter, measure angle B and angle C and draw AD perpendicular BC. So let's draw rough figure. As it is given here, you have to draw AD perpendicular BC. So I will take BC as base. This is easy for me to construct perpendicular on BC. So BC is given for 5.3 centimeter and AB and AC is 4.8. So this is isosceles triangle. So let's start. First I will draw this. Draw BC equal to 5.3 centimeter. With BS center and radius 4.8, draw an arc. With CS center and same radius, because this is isosceles 4.8, 4.8, which cut previous arc at A. Join AB and AC. This is 4.8 centimeter and this is 4.8 centimeter. Now, important point, how to construct AD perpendicular BC. So this A is external point of BC. So you will increase just with A as center and increase radius in such a way that it will cut BC at two different points. Just at P and Q. You can increase radius or with the same radius. With P and Q as center, draw arcs which cut each other at X. Now extend this and it will cut this BC at D. So in this way you are getting AD perpendicular BC. So let's see how my student will do it. Draw BC equal to 5.3 centimeter. With radius 4.8 centimeter and center B and C. With CS center and radius 4.8 to an arc. Same BS center, radius 4.8 which cut previous arc at A. Join AB and AC. This is A point. Now you have to draw AD perpendicular. So A is external point. With A as center and radius, increase in such a way that it will cut BC at two distinct points, PQ. P and Q. With the same radius, or you can increase. With P and Q as center, draw arcs which cut each other at X. Join this AX and this will pass through. Join this AX and which will cut BC at D, and in this way you are getting required perpendicular. AD is perpendicular BC. So in this way this is required triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC. Well done, beta. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you for watching it.